Hello everyone. This video will guide you on fixing error during Windows 11 setup. This PC can't run Windows 11. When you will try to install Windows 11 on a VMware Workstation 16 player or an old Windows machine that does not include TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, or recommended CPU, you will be unable to install Windows 11. During the installation of Windows, you will see an error message on the screen. This PC can't run Windows 11. However, after bypassing the minimum system requirements using the registry editor, you can get success installing Windows 11 on a virtual machine or an unsupported physical machine. Here is how to do it. How to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 error and install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. Please note this method is applicable for all unsupported PCs, including virtual machines, that do not meet the minimum hardware requirements to install Windows 11. Basically, we are going to bypass RAM, CPU, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0 in the process and install a fresh Windows 11 from scratch. So, first, download Windows 11 latest ISO from the Microsoft website if you have not already done. Please note you can get the required commands, registry paths, and links used in this video from this video description. Then, start installing it on your virtual or physical PC. When you are stuck at the error, this PC can't run Windows 11. Press Shift plus F10 or Shift plus Fn plus F10 to open the command prompt window on your screen. When command prompt appears on your computer, type regedit and hit Enter key on the keyboard to open the registry editor window. In the registry editor window, expand HKUI_local_machine. Then expand System. Then double-click on Setup. After that, right-click on Setup folder. And select New and then Key option. Name the newly created key as labconfig. Then, right-click on the labconfig key. And select New. And then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it Bypass TPM check. Now, double-click on the Bypass TPM check. And set its value data to 1. Click the OK button. To disable the Secure Boot check, again right-click on labconfig. And select New. And then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it Bypass Secure Boot check. Now, double-click on it and set its value data to 1. To bypass the RAM check, right-click on labconfig. And select New. And then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it Bypass RAM check. Now, double-click on it and set its value data to 1. To bypass the CPU check, right-click on labconfig. And select New. And then DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it Bypass CPU check. Now, double-click on it and set its value data to 1. Now, close the registry editor. Then close Command Prompt window. Then, close the Windows Setup window. Click Yes button when prompted. Please note, here, don't restart your computer. Now, click the Install Now button. This time you'll not get any errors. You can continue installing Windows now. That's it. Happy installing Windows 11. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.